Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to change your Pinterest account password on your PC with the latest update. Keeping your password secure is essential, and Pinterest makes it straightforward to update your login details whenever you need to. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Pinterest website. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main menu. Scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to the page where you can manage all your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, find and select the Account Management section. This is where you can update important information about your account, including your password. You'll see an option labeled Change right next to the password field. Click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This step is crucial for security, ensuring that only you can make changes to your account. After typing your old password, go ahead and enter your new password. Make sure it's strong and unique to keep your account safe. You'll need to rewrite the new password in the next field to confirm it. Once you've filled in all the password fields, click on the Change Password button. This action will update your password in the system. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes to your account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest password on your PC using the new interface. Remember to use a password that's hard to guess and consider updating it regularly for added security. If you ever forget your password, Pinterest also offers easy recovery options to get you back into your account quickly. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.